back up, Dave. Okay, now keep going up. Come on. Oh.
There you go.
Oh, you got it. Come on.
I think that.
Now hard passenger. Come on.
I think that wheelbase will help him out a lot.
Yeah, but being a little longer,
A little shorter.
a little shorter than you are. Oh yeah, you're 4-door. That's right.
A 2-door, but LJ.
Oh, and it yeah.
His is extended back.
Yeah, his.
What's it at like?
I don't know. I forget now. I don't know if we ever measured his or not.
It's like at 105, 106, something like that. There you go. There you go.
Got it.
There you go.
All right, David, you want to go right up that V right there? No. Back up. Back up. Wrong V. Move over a little bit. Back up. Back on up. Come on back. Now, put your left tire right in that slot right up there at the top. Climb that, yeah, little driver. There you go. Right there.
Money shot right there. Look at that.
Woo. She's doing it. She's crawling. That's a sweet little Jeep right there, buddy. And he is loving it, man. He's pretty new, but he is absolutely. He's loving it. This is only his first season for sure.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So fresh Jeep.